The devil loves it when we are fruitless and just spinning our wheels in dead religion, giving lectures in church, speaking to crowds of people that don't care to hear. The devil loves it when we ourselves are not bearing good fruit because he knows that when we don't produce good fruit, we will be cut off by God himself. As soon as we're cut off, we don't have life, and the devil can take us to hell. I want to read to you what Jesus said in John chapter 15. I am the true vine, and my Father is the vinedresser. Every branch in me that does not bear fruit, he takes away. And every branch that bears fruit, he prunes, that it may bear more fruit. You are already clean because of the word which I have spoken to you. Abide in me, and I in you, as the branch cannot bear fruit of itself unless it abides in the vine. Neither can you unless you abide in me. I am the vine, you are the branches. He who abides in me, and I in him, bears much fruit, for without me you can do nothing. If anyone does not abide in me, he is cast out as a branch and is withered, and they gather them and throw them into the fire, and they are burned. If you abide in me, and my words abide in you, you will ask what you desire, and it shall be done for you. By this my Father is glorified, that you bear much fruit, so you will be my disciples. This morning I had a dream, and in my dream I was again working with young students, junior high, high school. I was taking them to a church camp. But all of these students could care less about Jesus Christ. They didn't care about the gospel, about the Bible. No one cared to actually repent and put their faith in Jesus. They cared about themselves. One of the students was transgender. All of them cared how they looked. They were all about the world. And I just knew it was a completely fruitless church camp. I am so glad that Jesus called me out of the false church culture. In church, pastors spin their wheels, trying to convince people who don't want to follow God to put their faith in God. And the pastors themselves are also fruitless because they have sin in them. They have sin in their lives themselves. I am blessed that Jesus had mercy on me and that he called me out of dead religion. He called me out of church. He called me away from those junior high and high school students and those families that did not care about God. We have to get serious about Jesus Christ, and we have to produce good fruit. If we don't, we will be cut off from God. Where are you with Jesus? Do you love him? Are you producing good fruit for him? Or are you spinning your wheels in dead religion, not producing any fruit? May the grace of Jesus be with you.